good afternoon. This is Robert Wink with eXp Realty out here in Denton, Texas, the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Today, we're going to talk about on June 3rd, road tripping. It's the summer. You may be moving, you're taking the kids, the dogs, the cats, birds, and the ferrets. The reason why I have anxiety talking about this is I've moved quite a few times with all of the above. No more birds, no more ferrets. Thank goodness, they stink. But we're traveling. And so during this time of traveling, this road trip, what you want to do is look at your vehicle. You want to make sure that you have one, I always say, tell everybody, insurance. Pretty simple. Then we will discuss not only insurance, but then we go into, okay, is my car capable of the mode of transportation? Are my tires good? Is my oil changed out if needed? Transmission, spark plugs. Is my vehicle in great working condition to go from point A to point B? And then I sit there and I look at, is my car clean? Because it needs to be sanitized. We all have those friends that have McDonald's bags, Burger King bags, and fast food, and just sits there and it stinks. Or the coffee they left in there and it's spoiled because of the milk. So what I'm saying is that have a trash can. Take out of the car every time you go fill up on gas. So that's some things to do about your vehicle. But when you sit there, before you throw all the kids in there and everything, what me and my wife personally do is we pack food, we pack water. It's much cheaper than going on the road. It's 100% cheaper. It's what I highly recommend. Reusable water bottles are always nice as well. So what I usually do with my kids is on the route, we make sure that we have a plan. So we already have the food, kids have pillows, blankets, the dogs in the back, or whatever, but we make sure everybody's comfortable because there's nothing more annoying than hearing, she's looking at me. Man, it gets so frustrating. Or he's touching me. It just can't look. So along the route, what me and my wife do is we plan a route. We're going from point A to point B. We're in Dallas-Fort Worth, but Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri is where we go see family. And so when we travel, we have a trip. We plan our routes. This is where we're going to do the gas stations. This is where we're going to get gas at because it's the cheapest. Gas Buddy works. I'm a big, strong believer in it. But then we also go along this route. We're going to break it up. I like to stop every hour, 2 hours, walk around for 15 minutes. The one thing about traveling, it's never being a rush, unless it's a family emergency. So take your time, find those coffee places that you want to go along with, the great scenic routes, and that can be, how can I say this? Some people go to Arizona and then they go see the ball of twine. I don't know if it's out there. But like the Grand Canyon, they make it an event. Also, another thing to do is on this road trip is have music ready for yourself as an adult. It could be in the stereo, headphones. With me and my kids, I always tell them, hey, here's your tablet, phone, whatever. Boom, here's your headphones. Shut up, leave me alone. Let's just be honest. Oh, you got to pee? Let's go, babe. Make sure they have sunglasses, some sunblock. That's just, what I usually do with my kids. But but my kids are 11, 12, and 14. If the kids are younger, your children are younger, it's about playing games. Instead of hearing, are we there yet? When I grew up, it was about cops and there's motorcycles and cop cars. My mom was a speeder. So we could sit there and go, hey, cop car, got her out of a ticket, slowed her down. But if we said, hey, motorcycle, because she's a motorcycle enthusiast, we look at motorcycles, old cars. My 14-year-old daughter likes Volkswagen Beetles. So the slug bug, and she hits hard. So that's the game we play. What I'm telling you is enjoy your road trip, plan it, take your time, and do not be in a rush. This is Robert Wink with eXp Realty. For all your residential and commercial needs, land, ranch, wherever you're looking to buy, rent, lease, or you just want an opinion, reach out to me. Well, happy travels and stay safe.